I'm here. Am I here? Yes, I am. I'm just gonna start, I guess. I'm still figuring out the time that I find comfortable streaming, but I guess this is early morning test. Here we are. This is what we were doing the last time, which is a brainfuck compiler inside the TypeScript type system. This is where we had gotten so far, which is where so the interpreter takes the first initial state, or this is the initial state, and it also takes the brainfuck expression that it needs to execute. Or is it expressions, or I think that counts as a series of statements because it's just doing things one after sequentially. So I don't know what the semantics behind it would be, but yeah, something like that. And yes, so when we interpret an expression or a series of statements, we get the final state, which represents the output, or more so, a part of the state represents the output, because I'll reintroduce the state as well here. So the way we have our state, I mean, we have an alias here right now. We may not have it in the future. I think I'll be removing it. I don't know. Oh, yes. And also, my fucking stupid brain forgot to increase the font size in the last stream. So it was just tiny, tiny fonts for the most of it. So sorry about that. But here we are. Yes, so the state is, well, the current cell, that is which the index of the cell that we're in. There's the list of cells. This is the output, basically whatever we decide to. So in brainfuck, period is output. So it will print to whatever, but since the type system doesn't have the ability to produce side effects, this is just a part of the state that we get in the output. And this is our loop stack, which we have not implemented it yet, but basically the idea is in our interpreter for handling loops, what we'll be doing is when we start a loop, we'll just add the rest of the code to the loop stack. And when we end it, I mean, conditionally check whether or not we need to run the loop again. And if we do, we just go to the previous loop stack and run it from there and pop the rest of the code out of the stack. So yeah, I think that's the thing that we need to do today, and also implement period. Or, I mean, that sounds wrong. I mean, uh, period would just push whatever the current cell is to our output stack. Yeah, that's it. Let's start with this then. This guy will just need to push it this way, or is it the other way? Yeah, we'll need it to be at the end, right? Or wait, I'll have to rethink this. So loop stack. What are we doing with this? I'll, can I take notes on it? No. Yeah, let's just do that. Personal stream. This guy, yes. Let's zoom in. Yeah. So, which reminds me, we have a Discord now. I mean, I have a Discord now, but yeah. Here it is. I'm just right now, I'm just keeping it for notifications and all that, but yeah, we have that. If you're interested, you can join. Back to this. So what we want is, so let's take an example which we have here. This example, what it does is it adds two numbers together. So when we start the loop, what we want is to save this part of the code into our loop stack. So let's say loop stack is that as an expression. Yeah. When we reach here. And then when we reach here, after executing whatever this part of the code, we have to check if loop check if the current cell is 0. If it is, we just continue running the rest of the code. Run rest of code. Otherwise, we look at the loop stack, read from loop stack. I mean, is it loop stack or is it loop queue? Yeah, it's a queue, right? Yeah, yeah. My stupid brain forgot what the difference is. Queue. God. Every time I think about queue and stack, I have to go through that series of questioning of, oh, whether is it first in, first out? Yeah, yeah, it is. It is. Okay. So yeah, read from queue. Yeah, whatever the last. Wait. God fucking damn it. No, it's not a queue. It is a stack. My God, I'm going through the loops, so to speak. Read from loop stack. Yeah, and whatever that code is, execute point. Execute code from stack. So okay, run rest of code and pop loop stack. Right. So the last loop that we had there, we just have to remove it from the stack. All right. I think that is it. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's it. So let's get to that. Here it is. Okay. So this is a stack, but I think it'll be easier to pop a head out. So let's add it as a first element. Yes. So when we start a loop, that's all we need to do. So the rest of the code will just go here and we execute the rest of the code. And when we get to the end of the loop, we I mean, I guess that we also need another case here where at the end, after we're done executing everything, we need to check whether or not there's a pending loop, right? So that will be a syntax error. Anyways, that's in the future. Again, a future me problem to deal with. So in here, what we need to do now is first check if the current cell, so get cur cell, what is the current, yeah, st0 is the current cell and st1 is the list of cells. So get current cell that extends underscore 0. If it is 0, we are at the beginning, as in we don't need to run the loop again. We can just exit out of the loop. So to do that, we have to pop our loop stack and then we have to run the rest of the code. So how do we, oh, actually, now that I think about it, how do we do this with tail recursively? Because that was the whole thing, right? From the very beginning, we need to make sure that we have some tail recursions to allow TypeScript to flatten a lot of the types, because otherwise we'll have the infinite nesting error, infinite instantiation or whatever. Let's see. Let's uh, go with it. Interpreter. Yes, we need to execute the rest of the code. And also we need to pop this guy out of the stack. How do we do that? Oh shit. Do we, yeah, let's just have a type here. Infer. So st, or oh fucking hell, I can't type today. Yeah, st, oh fuck, I'm missing something. My brain went to the shitter. What were we doing here? Yes, we need to pop the loop stack. So st3 extends, or st3 extends. So the first head we need to pop. So any comma dot infer stack. Is that it? Infer stack extends, I guess, since we have a new syntax, might as well use it, right? So yes, if we do have that, we do this. Let me disable the formatter so we don't get fucked. Yes, so instead of this, we can just now use the stack. So what we have ended up with is we have the rest of the stack. We just ignored the first item, basically popping the stack. And now, else, what do we do here? Do we just, if, okay, in this rest case, basically we don't have anything, right? So we just do that. I guess we can simplify this by doing this, stack or empty. Yeah, I don't want extra conditionals and also tail recursion again. Yeah, there it is. There we have it. Else. And if it extends 0. Oh wait, I did that wrong. If it extends, yeah, this is what we need to do. If it extends 0, so if the current cell is 0, we need to pop that out of the stack and execute the rest of it. That's what I wrote down here, right? Yes. And now is the part where we do the loops. Interpreter. Yes, what we need to execute here now is the first item from the loop stack. So here we go. This thing again. Let's pick this up. Yeah. So now instead of the rest of the stack, we don't necessarily care about that. Any array, I guess. This guy, infer loop or go to, is that more appropriate? Go to extend string. We don't need to do that, I guess. Still, it's fun to do. It's fun to do. I like the new syntax. Okay, so if we have a loop stack, if we don't have a loop stack, it's an error, right? So we've reached the end of a loop, but we don't have any pending loops, which the loop stack is empty. So in that case, we just error out. One second, let me take a sip of my coffee. Yeah, as I was saying, yeah, we just execute our state as is, and we just use this guy. Oh, we have to do extend string in that case. Yay! An excuse to use the new syntax again. Yes. All right. So we are executing this guy. Yeah, I think it's still fine, right? We are still following tail recursion. We are not doing anything stupid yet, which is a good sign. Let's see what the result is. Oh my god, that worked! Holy shit! What the fuck? It just worked. So in our state, we had 3 cells here, three in the first cell, and one in the second and one in the third, doesn't matter. So what it did was it recursively or looped over the first cell and kept adding it to the second one and subtracting it from the first one till it reads 0. And that's what we have here. We have 0, 4, and 1, which is 3 plus 1 is 4. Holy fuck. First try. That's awesome. Let's take a okay, let's commit this first of all. Because of course we don't do anything here without committing our code first. Here we have implements loops. I didn't expect it to be that easy. I'm barely like 20 minutes into the stream and I've got what I wanted to do today. I mean, obviously we are going to run into some issues, I think. Especially since we haven't tested nested loops yet. So let's not celebrate too much yet. Let's pick an example. Okay, are there any good examples here? Actually, let's also might as well just implement dot, right? Because we'll have output ready. Okay, interpret. Oh, fuck off. Okay. If it's a dot, then we execute the rest of it. st0, st1, st2, st3. So st2 is what we care about. So what we need to do here is we just append the current cell. Is that it? st0 comma st1. Yeah, that seems right. Why is the syntax highlighting was all fucked up? Yeah, I think that's better. I don't know why that happened, but okay. So we have output as well. Let's add these to the test case. So we have our assertion thing here. All right, this guy is our loop, which would be the result of this is this and 0, I guess. No, what is the result? 0, 0, 3, oh, 4. Yeah, 3 plus 1 is 4. I can't do basic math apparently. Okay, we have that. That's awesome. Okay, we also need to do a dot. Let's do, after we move to the next cell, to get an incrementing set of values, right? So if we do that, we should have, okay, let's think this through. I don't want to just see the result and copy paste it. Let's think this through. So it would be here, it would go to the next cell, which would be 1. So the first item would be 1, the second item would be 2, the third item 3. There it is. Yes, we have our output assertion as well. I didn't expect it to just go this smoothly, but it is going this smoothly. Oh, actually, in our, okay, let's go here. Temp, we've had Brainfuck. So this was my old implementation for this. But here I ran into a problem where we had, with loops, infinite instantiation error with this example. I mean, it's not happening. Yeah, there it is with this example. So let's try this here. Let's see if we have already solved the issue. Interpreter, and there's no state.zeros. I guess that means 3 cells. So let's do that. Underscore 0, underscore 0, underscore 0. So I increment this, I guess. Oh, there's more, there's more. Empty, empty. Perfect. Oh, why? Oh, right, right. We haven't handled white spaces yet. All right. I don't. That's fine. That's fine. That's easy to do, I guess. If we have, I mean, this is the same thing that we need to do here without any mutation. So it's a no op. Let's remove all of that. We just interpret it, and we have a white space type equals space or new line or tab. So let's add that. That's it. Yeah, that's it. Okay. So we handle white spaces as well, and it works. We don't have that error. We're already like miles ahead of my previous implementation. Actually, let's see what mistake I had made before, because this just seemed tail recursive so far. I think I just overdid types. Like for incrementing, I had a separate alias, which may not have worked. Or maybe I was doing some weird recursion, which, yeah. Yeah, I think that's fine. We've surpassed this. We are above the past me. So I think let's not worry about him right now. Let's just worry about me. Oh, just 1 second. Okay. Yeah. What was I saying? We have loops and we have output. Let's also commit this in. What changes have we made? Yes, yes, yes. All of these I love. Okay, we added Pete adds white space adds output stack plus white space handling. I don't know. I'm not very good at commit messages, but Nobody wants to be good at commit messages. Yeah, so I think we don't need to remove the state alias that we have here, but I think I might. I don't want an extra thing, extra alias hanging on my shoulder for this. Let's worry about that in the future. Okay, so we have this. Let's also have, let's add this in the test case as well. Not this guy, this guy, there. And the result of this is we have 8 increments and we move it from this to this. Okay, so this should be 8 and the rest would be 0. Or I mean, we don't have 8. So actually let's add it. Let's add 8. We have till 5, 6, 7, 8. Actually, I'd also like to 6, 7, 8. All right. No, that's not true, I guess. That is the addition thing. Oh, wait, no, that's not the addition. Let's actually just look at the output. I don't want to think about this. 0, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, that's what I did here. 0, 8. Oh, wait, I fucking forgot to change these numbers. My god. My god. What is wrong with me? Yeah, now it works. Alright. Blunder aside, let's actually change this example. So I want to increment 3 times, decrement twice, increment 4 times, decrement once. This would give us 5. Perfect. I'm just adding more items so that it has to recursively call itself a lot more. Anyways, we have that. That's awesome. Now I also need an example for nested loops. Well, we've got it. We've got an example here. Okay, this is a lot. Is this hello world or is this hello world? Oh, okay. So the whole thing is hello world. Yeah. Okay. I guess I'm doing this now. This is definitely going to throw an error, right? Okay, never. That's not what I expected, but it's something we have. Never, never, never. We are never, never, never. I just went Taylor Swift for a second. That's not what I expected. It shouldn't be never. Why am I pushing never to the output stack? Oh, there is a period there. That should have worked though. Why is it pushing never to the stack? That doesn't make sense. So here's the code for, oh, so get current cell logic is wrong, maybe. Um, If current cell extends, if current index extends 0, we just give it 0. Otherwise, we maybe I'm not sure why that is happening. What if we add this? Does that make the difference? No? I mean, that would make it specific, so it's more likely to give us a never now. I made the problem worse. What is the problem here? Let's rename this guy to small tail because it's inferred value. I don't know, I just made up that convention there. So yeah, it's recursively calling this guy, and if it's at the 0th cell, it should just give us that. Otherwise, it will recursively call itself. Yeah, I mean, I don't see a problem there. What is happening? Cancel. The previous one. Okay. And I give it the tail. What the fuck is the problem, my guy? What is the problem? Can you explain? I mean, so here, this condition failing is the only way to get this, I would assume. Let's change this a bit to any. Let's see what this gives us. It should be a list of, oh, it's not a list of any like I expected. So is it this guy? Wait, that gave me an error. What? Okay. Is that a problem for you? Okay, let's see if any we get a list of any's. Oh, TypeScript language server does not like that. It does not like that at all. LSP restart, I guess. That didn't go well. I mean, it is a huge example. It's probably going to just give me an error here. But still. Oh, it didn't. And it still gave me never. I don't like that. Don't do that, please. I don't understand what the issue is in that case. Because these are the only two base cases in this recursive function. It's either cell 0 or it's never. So if I do this, let's change this to null. Oh wait, that wouldn't work. Let's change this to _8. Let's see if it's all _8. No, it's still never. Or is it taking time to evaluate that expression? I keep saying expression. It's not. I don't know. Let's see Wikipedia. Is it an expression? Is it a? I guess symbol is or command. List of commands. Is that more appropriate? Instruction. Instruction set. Oh my god. My brain just had a neural connection from the past here. Okay, so it's not even getting here. That's not mighty helpful. That is the right list that I'm looking at, right? Yeah, it is. Oh my god. The list of cells is never. How did that happen? Oh no. That shouldn't have happened. Is it here? Is this the problem? Should I should I just do ST here? No, it should be never. Okay. Okay, something fucky is happening. Let's remove all of this. Let's just do the state thing where we handle loops. We should have something with 70 something in it. No, none of that. Okay, I don't understand why this is never though. That makes zero sense. because the first, we should just have a list of cells there, unless st1, did I do something wrong somewhere, or is it one of these update cell or something? Update cell, update cell at n. Oh, this can return an error. Oh, okay. When does this return an error? It if it if the list is empty. Okay, it would never be empty to be. Oh shit. I mean, this is the right way to do it, but I'm a little confused as to why that happened. ls. Oh, it couldn't find the index. Oh my god, I just realized something. We don't have the right number of cells here. Holy shit. Okay. Um, how do we generate it? I forgot. Generate list. I forgot what this looks like. Size, item to fill it with, and nothing else. Okay, size is how many cells do we need for this example? Its length is active command characters, not the shortest. How many cells do you need? Can you just tell me that? I mean, this is not going to work. Just just a heads up. I'm pretty sure this is not going to work, but I still want to run it and see it doing something. How many cells does it need? Okay, cell, add 0 to cell, cell 5, cell 6, definitely 6 cells. Cell 0, cell 5, cell, okay, it seems like it's at least 6 cells. Okay, let's do that, and we fill it with zeros. Ah, there it is. Like I said, an error. Let's remove the printing bit. Let's just do the state bit so we can see if this throws an error. Yeah, it does. All right. So how many levels of nesting can we handle? That's the question. Um, it seems like 2 is too much. Okay, let's look for another example. We can't run a hello world, guys. Ah, that was too much. No, apparently. Nah. Let's run this one. What is this? What does this do? Simple addition program. Yeah, we are running an addition program. C1 is this, will be a loop counter. Add 6, subtract the, print out the value. This. Okay, let's just clean this up. Do you want to also parse comments? No, that would be too much. With the spaces, I guess. Or maybe we just ignore invalid characters. Does that make sense? Yeah, I mean, yeah, it does, but nah, I don't want to. I don't want to get into that. Let's remove all the comments. Here is the code. We just remove here. Let's remove all the white spaces from there. Run this. Okay, any. Have I ever used any in any of my code? I mean, I did, but it was in a place that didn't matter. So I'm gonna do this instead, but oh no. That hurts. It's a much smaller program, but it can't run it. Okay. What's the result? It's any, because it can't do this much. I think it's a second loop. Let's see. Do I have to do something? Let's remove the number of additions here. No, that's not it. Okay. Ah, that is disappointing. We'll just remove this loop as well. Okay, let's see the result now. Okay, that is normal. I don't know why adding the loop makes it so much worse. Yeah, this doesn't, because it's just a single loop. Let's copy the entire thing and put it here. So I feel like this, we should try to get this program running. This should be our limit of what we can run, right? So let's flatten the state. Maybe that's what's causing the extra nesting. Or actually, let's flatten these guys, right? Because it's taking multiple, because let's see this. I'm only using this in one place, so it doesn't make sense for it to do that many things. It's not doing any recursive call either, so yeah, it's pretty straightforward to just do it here. Dot 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 and that. Perfect. Inlined it. Let's remove excess things. It's too much to be honest. But the price to pay for optimizing our code. It's now shitty code, but it works. I hope it works. Yeah, it works. Our tests are still passing, so that's a good sign. Let's do that over multiple lines, I guess. Yeah. Okay, I don't know how to format this better, but let's go with this. Yeah. We have inlined this bit, but we also have this recursive bit that we're doing, which we can also inline. I don't know how much that will help though, but I feel like I have to do this. And if I call update cell recursively, I have to pass in the current cell. Yeah. Okay. Let's just do that. Let's see. If that helps, we'll keep it that way. If it doesn't help, we'll revert. Let's nest that in. Can you nest that in? What is happening? Okay. This is fine. This is fine. Yeah. ls becomes st1 in all the places. ls becomes st1, 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 st1. N is the current cell, so st0. Accumulator. Oh, right. Oh, okay. So we need an accumulator here. Accumulator extends nat list equals empty array. Okay. So now we have to just change the recursive call. Yes. This becomes st0. Okay. This is the second one. st2 and st3. Is that it? I feel like that should be it. Update cell at, oh, right. It's update cell now. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what, oh no. Oh no. What's the problem now? Oh. What? What do you want from me? Yeah, that is what I'm telling you to do. Um, Anything else? Any other complaints? Uh, s- Satisfy the constraint. Oh, oh, does it not return? Oh, right. It shouldn't return st1 in those cases. It should just return st. Yeah, yeah, that's it. No, it's not. Um, is there somewhere else? Oh, this guy. So we have to convert this to st. Okay, this is more work than I had planned to be doing today, but okay. st1, st2, st3. Oh no, there's no st1. That's the st1. Okay. What? H is being used. Right here. Right here. I'm using it. Why? What's the problem? Is there another place where that's happening? This is the recursive call, so it's fine. Oh, here. Empty list. Okay, so I just return st because if st1 is empty, it should be fine. Still nothing. My god. Can you just tell me what the problem is? st. Let me just give me a second. Let me turn this on. Yeah. Okay. My air conditioner is extremely dramatic. Likes to shout at me every time it's turning up, and I don't get this. Right? Why do appliances have to be so noisy? Why can't they just, silently just turn on? Is that too much to ask? Um, yeah, I'm doing a bit. Oh, oh, okay. I think I understood what the problem was. The problem is I'm a moron, but also because this whole list can't be returned from here, I need to return st0, comma that list, which is st1, and then the rest of it. st1, st2, or wait, st2 and st3. Okay. That was just trying for no reason. This is not an error apparently. Okay, it doesn't work. That's a different problem. Okay. So what is the problem now? Oh, oh my god. I went through all that trouble because I thought I need to return st, but I don't. I don't need to return st. Just need to return st1 because that's what I'm solving for. Ha. A day in the life of someone who's struggling with basic function. Oh, recursive. Ah, my god. So many stupids. So many consecutive stupids. I'm leaking out into the world. All of this goes away, right? We don't need that anymore. Yeah, because we are doing that anyway. st0 till st2, yeah. Yeah. Oh no, actually we can't do that. Ah shit, I just realized we can't do any of this because at the end we'd have the current cell mutated, which we don't want. We don't want to mutate the current cell. Yeah, I mean, I can just remove all of this and uncomment this guy. Ah, that I was hoping for an optimization, but yeah, that's a bit a bit harder to achieve that. Or maybe I could add another type parameter here because we have the state, we have the operation, we have the accumulator. What we can do is have the cell that we need to update separately. Nah, I mean, to be honest, I don't think that was an issue because this function is still tail recursive, so I don't see a problem there. Oh, and by the way, if anyone wants context on what this whole thing is, ask someone else because I don't know, but also feel free to ask. Okay, we are not using this anymore, so that goes to shit. Alright, this, yeah, that all looks sane. This is the only problem now. Okay, I guess let's move this guy over there. Should we remove this state alias? And that kind of sucks. So I'm going to the previous cell, I'm incrementing it, and I'm decrementing it. Isn't what? Isn't that an infinite loop? Because I'm leaving the current cell in the same state as it was. So when I get to 0, I'll just keep doing that. So what's the point of this? Wait, maybe that's why it's infinite. Because this doesn't make sense to me. Because I'm incrementing the current cell, and then I'm decrementing it. So at the end of the loop, obviously it's going to be the same state it was before. So when it gets to 0, it can't go back any further, so it's going to keep looping over that, right? So if I remove this, yeah, okay, so that was an infinite loop. What the hell, Wikipedia? Oh. Oh, so this is completely different. So I fucked up when I was doing this. Somewhere I deleted the wrong line apparently. Oh, okay. So I didn't screw up. Vim screwed up. Okay, I don't mind that. That's not an issue. Let's do the same thing that I did. Oh fuck! What happened? I'm asking you to do this on M multi-line. No? What's the problem? Why can't it do this thing that I'm asking it to do? It's so simple. Let's not worry about that. Let's do a new thing here and yeah. Oh wait, It still did the same thing. It's not a markdown file, it's still... Yeah, Vim is doing something fucky when I do Shift J. Right? It's removing this character. Doesn't make sense. Let's do this for the entire thing. Oh, there's no N. Plus. Okay, so this only works line by line, so... Alright, I guess I'm doing that manually now. That's not an issue, but to confirm that I'm doing it right. Oh, it did it again. Finally, we have what we're looking for. Okay. My god. That was something. Now this is going to be infinite, right? Yeah, it is infinite. Shit. Let me remove a bit of this. It's not giving me an error though. That's weird. LSP restart. Maybe that will change something. No, it's an infinite error. Okay. So let's remove this bit. Okay, it works. It works. No problems. No problems at all. I mean, there is problem because we got an infinite loop thing, but at least we know that it's doing a thing. That's the bare minimum that we can expect it to do. Okay, this is infinite. We know this to be infinite. What is happening here? Why is this virtual text showing up? Okay. All right. This bit isn't working. Let's do next cell, print the next cell out. Okay, that just didn't work. All right. I mean, it did do what I expected it to do. But I guess 2 consecutive loops is the problem here. Maybe. Let's try something else. Let's do 3 plus 4. And we add the addition thing. Where is that? Yeah, this guy. Oh shit. I went back a little further than I expected, but yes. Oh, is there a way to detect if... Nah, that's... Yeah, and static analysis here would be very difficult, and that will definitely get us over the limit of for infinite instantiation. Okay, I think we need to go back a cell to do the addition here. Yes, we've got the addition result. Now what I want to do is go to the next cell, add 2 there, and go back to previous cells, and then I go back to the next cell and I perform the addition again. Let's see what this results in. Yes, it still works. Okay. What if I increase a number here? Let's do 6. It still works. Okay. Okay, we have a good brainfuck interpreter here. it does the thing that I want it to do. So when we do perform the addition, after we're done, we're at here. So let's print that out, and then we go to the next cell and print that out. So we get the output as well. Let's reduce this. Let's do 4. Let's keep it that. Yeah, let's try to add this to our test cases. Okay. This was expected. It's fine. It's fine. Don't worry about it. So we don't need 6 cells for this. We only need 3. So let's do that. Underscore 0. Underscore 0. Oh, fuck. Underscore 0. Yeah. This one would be 0 and this one would be the sum of the 3 numbers. So 3, 8 plus 3, 11. Which is 8 plus 3. Let's just represent it as 8 plus 3. I don't want to add another alias for 11. Okay, that's fine. We haven't added the output yet. So the result of the first sum would be 7. So let's do that. And the result of the second one would be the final result, which is 11. No, it's still not true. Okay. Okay, we can check. Let's count the suck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's right. 11 sucks. Y equals x 2. This will give us the output. Output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Perfect. That's exactly what I wanted, but that's not what I'm getting. Oh wait, I've got to type underscore equals this and type underscore equals that. Okay, we have 3 cells. Okay, that's true. Oh, wait. Oh, so the current cell. Yeah. I forgot about the current cell. So the current cell would be at the second one, right? There it is. A passing test case. My god, it works. It really works. I'm just stretching, which is why my voice sounds weird, but it works. We've got it. A successful stream, if I say so myself. Let's do comments here. Let's what was this? This was shit. Increment decrement shifts increment slash decrement shifts, and then we immediately start with loops, and then we have, yeah, that's it. Complex. It's not that complex, but still. All right. That should give us that we have a compiler, ladies and gentlemen, and dogs. My dog is sleeping, so I thought I'd address him as well. Yeah, so we have our compiler now. We have a brainfuck compiler in TypeScript types. How crazy is that? We have our test case done. We can also, the thing that I was thinking of implementing was input, an input stream. I don't know how valuable that is, but yeah, that is something we can do. Then let's do that. Let's implement that as well. Before we do that, let's commit this guy. What did we do? Let's see. Let's see our changes. We move this here. Okay. We inline this bit. Oh no, I forgot to change the debug stuff. Where is it? Where is it? Underscore 8. This would be never, right? Because this case can't happen. Yeah, never. Because the list of cells, if it's empty, we can't actually access anything. So it makes sense for it to be never. Perfect. Let's add that in. Okay. What did we do here? We just changed that to string. That's fine. All right. We added a more complex example. This is more like a refactor. I didn't actually add any features or fix anything, it seems. Oh, we did fix something. It's fine. I'm just gonna call it a refactor. Refactor did some refactor. Gosh. Okay. Oh shit. I changed something. Oh shit. Oh shit. I'm panicking. What happened? What did I do? Cell C, cell S. Yes. LSP restart. Oh no. Did I commit something stupid? Yeah, it works. Okay. We have our compiler, which is in a fairly working operational state. That's what you'd like to hear. It's operational. It works. It does what it is supposed to do. Okay. So in this case, when we encounter a character that is a weird character, is that the right way to say it? Should we just ignore it, or should we let's add an error here. So we have parse error. Parse error can be, let's give it message extends string. Let's have a declare const error unique symbol, and we give that as a key, and we give it message. Okay, so parse error invalid character. In this case, it's oh shit. Oh, it's not a. Is it a parse error? Doesn't matter. In this case, it's going to be invalid loop. Is that right? Yeah. Yeah, and okay, and also we need another layer of error, interpreter or run or BF interpreter, I guess. I'm just gonna call it something stupid. Extends string, or the first one is cells, cell count, extends map, and extends string. This is not necessary, but I'm just doing it for no particular reason. Let's do interpreter. State, we give it 0. We generate list of zeros, or cell count to 0 of zeros. We give it an empty array. We give it an empty array. And the expression that we are executing. Okay. Now, this is the funky bit. We Yeah, we need to check if our extends infer result, I guess. Yes, so here we need to check whether result is it, what was the, where were the loop stack I think is the end one, last one, 3, result 3 extends empty. In that case we know that it resolved all the loops, so there's no issue. We give it what, we just return the result. Yeah, otherwise we return, I mean I called it parse error, it doesn't make sense, it could be an interpreter error, but okay, we'll just continue with that. Otherwise we say that pending loop. Yeah, that's fine. But the bar for this is very low. This one is never, because this would never happen because we are just inferring the value here, so it doesn't matter. And this is just a way to save the result of interpreter in a variable, because otherwise we'd have to run it twice. That's basically it. Cannot. What? Why not? Why the fuck not, you stupid bastard? Oh, right. We also have to do. Oh, in this case, we can just do it here, I guess. Shit. Extends state nat array. My god, this is tough to just type down. Yeah. Do you mean, oh, result? My bad. Okay. We've got BF interpreter that does the last pending check that we need to do. Is there anything else? Yeah, that's it. That's it. Let's replace all the instances of interpreter. Or wait, let's just do that. Interpreter with BF interpreter in our test cases. Oh shit. Oh shit. What? Okay, that was not supposed to happen. Ah, that sucks. Is it this? Do I need to do empty? No, that doesn't make sense. What is the problem here? Oh no, I think this made it cross the barrier. Ah, that sucks. That sucks. Shit. Okay, I guess we are not doing that last check. Yeah, I've given up on that idea now. Ah, shit. Oh, actually, we can do that check in the base case, right? Because we have the case where it goes empty. So we don't need to do all of that. We can stay with just one interpreter function and we can just do that check here. Or fuck, I should have just copied that. Shit. I've lost all those changes. Okay. Yeah. State, which is the result, extends. No, state st3 extends empty array, in which case we just return the state, otherwise we return parse error. Pending loop. Oh shit. Pending loop. We haven't broken any test cases, just confirming. Yes. Let's actually write the negative cases as well. we have only done the happy path here. So happy path, sad path. We've got from compiler, let's do some invalid characters and we get an error. So this is parse error invalid character. Yes. Invalid loop would be a start, an ending loop without a starting loop. So let's do that and we get invalid loop. Yes. Second test case done. The last one, we have a start of the loop, but we don't have the end. This is pending loop. Perfect. We have the error cases as well. Let's do multiple one of those. We actually don't have a nested loop case, which we also need. I'm pretty sure that will just push us over the edge for type instantiation error, but yeah, let's try that as well. Okay. Let's commit this in. Let's see the error. Yeah, error invalid character. Okay. Oh, I'm so tired. Oh. Yawn, yawn, yawn. I'm saying yawn instead of yawning. Just 1 second. Okay. What were we doing? Let's commit this. Feature handles parse. Oh wait. Adds better error message plus handles pending loop. Okay. I mean the error message is terrible, but still, we have our test case there, so that's a plus. And what else? What else? That's it. That's it. Is there anything else left to handle in this before I close the project forever? Oh wait, there are some changes that I need to append. Yeah. All right. I mean, I was thinking of flattening the state, but I don't want to do that anymore because that doesn't seem to be a problem. TypeScript seems to handle that really well. That's about it. We've got a sad case, we've got a complex case. Let's try out a nested loop case and then we can call it quits, right? So instead of adding multiple one of these, I just do that, and here, what can we do? What is a good, oh, okay, I got an idea to write a sorting algorithm, but no, let's not do that. How do we swap to cells in Brainfuck? Can we see how that is implemented? Does this guy have it? No. Yo, swap cells Brainfuck. Let's see. I'm gonna learn something new today. Is this this is the one? Refuse. Is that? Oh, fuck. What the fuck? God. Some websites are just confusing to use. Hmm. Okay, this is. What the fuck is this? No, that's not what I want. Can I duplicate a cell? I mean, it's simple, but I still thought I would, you know, try something out. Okay, I guess it doesn't work. First, to do swapping, first we need to move the contents of the current cell to the cell next to the next cell, which is, let's do twice and then come back. So this will basically move the contents of the current cell to the cell after the next cell, and then we move the contents of the next cell back to the first cell, and then the next cell back to the next cell. Does that make sense? In my head, for a second it did. Now it doesn't. So after this, after we do this, we are back at the current cell, right? So we need to move forward a bit to get to the next cell, and we need to repeat the loop, but now we're moving it backwards. So we go back one cell, we increment it, we go forward, we decrement it. Right? And we do it again. We go back till this guy empties out. At which point we can now move to the next cell after this one and repeat the same thing. Oh no, we haven't crossed the threshold. Okay, so what do we expect here? Actually, let's reduce the cell size. We don't need that many cells, just 3. All right. So in this case, what the fuck? Why is my cells empty? What the hell? Generate list. Size 3, item 0. Yes, that is what I wanted. What is happening? What if I just do this? Yeah, we have the cells. Oh no, something horrible happened. There's a bug in our code. How the fuck do we debug this mess? Oh no. Oh no. Who could have seen it coming? Me. I could have seen it coming because this is horrible. Okay, at which point did we lose? All right, let's remove the first loop. Okay, we fucked up in the first loop. That's good to hear. We go to the next. Oh, right. Okay. Okay. So we need to go back 2 cells. We need to start at the first cell because we don't have the cells after it. Yes, now it works. But also, that shouldn't have happened, right? Because okay, I think I got it. So here when we're shifting back, we use the predicate function. The predicate function stops at 0. It doesn't go further than 0. When we try to predicate 0, we still get 0 because that's where the natural number ends. But for successor function, my god, I don't know why I stumbled. So for the successor function, we keep going. There's no limit to it. Should we add a limit? Nah, I think that's fine. But in that case, we also need to make sure that the rest of the operations don't completely break down when we use an index that is out of bounds. So let's check our functions. I think that's the way to go. Yeah, this works fine, right? Let's confirm the result. So we had 3 cells here, we had 4 cells here, at the end we should have 4 cells in the number 4 in the first cell, number 3 in the second cell. So yes, 1 2 3 4 in the first cell and 1 2 3 in the second cell. Perfect. Perfecto. Perfection. Perfection. What language is that? I do not know. Yes. So let's see. I think update cell would be a suspect because this guy would return, yes, an empty list. Where do we access an index? So this is the 0th index. If ls is empty, it returns empty. Okay, that's fine. Or maybe just return ls because, you know, makes no difference. In this case, it would return ls. Oh, no, we are appending accumulator here. Yeah, what the fuck is the problem with you? Update cell as, let's try this out. Update cell at n. Let's do type underscore equals this guy. We are trying to update the 5th cell, but we don't have the 5th cell. We don't just have 2 cells. Is there anything else that I need to specify? Oh, operation type. So suck. Okay. Okay, this is the problem. We're getting an empty array. N next and 0. So that's not the case we need to worry about. This is the case we need to worry about. We go back. Send that. Oh, in this case, we are not considering accumulator. I think that's the issue here. Accumulator, comma, isn't that it? Yes. Yes, that's it. Let's see the result now. Yes, this is exactly what I expected. So let's see our example now. Let's, this I think was the one that caused the error. Let's see. Oh no. Oh no. That fucked up. I mean, this works, but I can't shit. So, does it cause an error? Yeah, this one also causes an error. That kind of sucks. I was hoping I'd get something nice out of this, but no. Actually, let's just see what happens when we keep incrementing cell, or we just do this. So obviously we don't have that many cells in our cell list. Let's increment it here, and we get, yeah, okay. So this is fine. This is fine. Okay, don't mind this at all. Yes, we can just add this in our test case now. Complex. Again, this is not a nested case like I wanted, but this is also another potentially problematic case. We also need to add a sad path for the case where we have an out of bound index. Okay, so in this case, we are expecting 3,4. Let's write this down, swap. And in this case, it's, what is it doing? Add 3. Add 3 numbers. I need something special here. Yeah, something like that. I don't know. Add 3 numbers, swap. Okay. I'm trying to do the thing with describe, and what is this? Describe and it the way we do it in jest. That's what I'm trying to achieve here, but okay, it doesn't matter. Yeah, at the end of it, we'll be at the first cell. Oh shit, that's apparently not it. Oh, we don't have an output. Are we at the second cell? Yes, we are at the second cell. Okay, we've got this. We've got this. We need a sad path. Our sad path in this case is out of bounds. So we have 3 cells, or let's reduce that to 2 cells, and we just move up and we increment that cell. So in this case, the result should be state we should be at the how many sixth cell, but our number of cells hasn't changed and there's no mutation to our cells, so this stays the same. These two. No, that's not it. Oh, we only have 2 cells, sorry. Yes, that is it. We've got a sad path as well. Let's add a comment there. Fuck off. Let's add a comment there. What was this? Out of bounds. Let's do the same thing for predicate or shift backwards, because in this case we don't have to worry about anything, because it should just increment the first cell or the result first cell, and this should be 0. Yes, perfect. Out of bounds check done. Errors or parse errors, and this guy is 1 2 3 4 1 2 3. That's fine. Sad path, complex, loops, shifts, and increment decrement. Okay, we've got this. We have got it. Or actually, I want to. I'm just procrastinating with this, but I want it to look better. So let's do it this way, right? We still have the same thing, but it looks better now, right? This looks nice. This looks nice. Let me know if it doesn't. Let me know if it looks terrible. This goes back. My god, so many errors. NVim, can you stop for a second? I just need to do some edits. I'll let you know when I'm done fixing them. Yeah. And also, yes, like I said before, let me know if you need me to walk through a lot of this, because I mean, at this point, even I don't know what I'm doing, but yeah, if anyone wants to know. Yeah, this is so much prettier. Our test cases in the standard describe and it is, I don't know what it's called, that kind of pattern where you do a describe and nest your conditionals with context. I don't remember what it's called, but yeah, we did that. And we have our interpreter. We need to think about nested loops, right? So we have this is just consecutive loops. Let's think about nested loops. What's a use case for it? Let's look at Wikipedia. I guess that's our source for all of this fuckery. I'm feeling a bit adventurous. Let's try this again. I'm pretty sure this is still an error. Nothing has really changed in this, but this should be an error, right? No, okay, we don't have enough cells. That kind of fucking scared the shit out of me. I was not expecting that to. Yeah, it doesn't work. Right? Yeah, it doesn't work. Shit. Okay, let's not go that deep. Let's just do the loop, right? Because that's the only part we're concerned with. Does this work? Should I restart the LSP for this? Let's see. Oh, please work. No, it doesn't. Shit. I think this may be too many loops. We'll have to think of another use case for this. I don't want to write brainfuck, you know? I mean, I'm thinking of use cases, but I don't want to write it myself. I just want someone to just give me an example that I can test. God, I didn't wake up today morning to write brainfuck, you know? That's not the life I chose. Let's Google. What is this? Oh yes, reminder. Discord. I posted my thing here, the from the last stream, the Desmos, our snake game in a graphing calculator, and also this guy. Okay, back to what I was doing. Yes, brainfuck example. Let's see. Source for simple brainfuck programs. Yes. Brainfuck Fibonacci sequence. I don't know. I don't expect Fibonacci sequence. Okay. Yeah, I definitely don't expect this to work inside TypeScript's type system. This is fucking stupid. Let's look at something else. Brainfuck factorial. Again, don't expect that to work. Fucking hello world doesn't work and they're expecting me to write brainfuck. This is too early for this shit. Example of a recursive function, nested loops. Doesn't work currently and prints to standard out. Okay. Segment fault. I'll just run his example, I guess. Let's see. Okay. Fingers crossed. Come on. Okay. Oh no, it actually needs more cells. Maybe like 8 cells. Is that enough? Maybe. Let's see. It goes 1 up, 3 backwards. No, that's loop, so it doesn't matter. Oh, it's hard to tell. It definitely. I don't think this works. I'll try. 8 is the only one I have. So let's do suck. That is 4. 4 plus 8. That is 12. 12 cells? No. Okay, it doesn't work. Okay. I got my hopes up for no reason. Let's just stick to 8 cells and look for a different example, I guess. Shit. Basics of brainfuck. Basics. Pointer, memory. Hello world. I mean, we know this doesn't work. And okay, this one doesn't have nested loops. So maybe we can. Does this work? We can't use new lines, so yeah. I know TypeScript. Let's not complain about the past. I've already fixed my issues. Okay, this doesn't work. Definitely doesn't work. Yeah, it doesn't work. Shit. Okay. Let's just stop running the program midway. Let's see. Does this work? I guess there's obviously a character limit because after that it would definitely run out of TypeScript would run out of depth, whatever metric that is. Yeah, this doesn't work. Okay, that was a bad idea. Let's break this program down. No, that's not. If statements. Oh wait, was there a comma in there? The last one? No. No, it wasn't. Shit. We don't have something fun to do. There's no nested. Let's just write one, I guess. Yeah. Let's just let's multiply two numbers. Is that a good example? Let's add let's multiply 2 times 3. Yeah. So we're at the second cell right now. How do we multiply two cells? Oh shit. So to multiply two cells, we'll need 3 cells, right? To multiply two cells, we need to first move the current cell to the next cell, right? Let's just copy. Oh, we can't copy. Oh shit. Ah shit. How do we copy a cell? Let's see. Geo brainfuck copy cell copy value. Decrease A, increase first cell. Oh, okay. Okay, we just move it to 2 cells instead of moving it to 1 cell. All right, that's not an issue. Let's first. Oh no, this kind of sucks. I don't want to do that. Oh no, let's just look up an example. Geo brainfuck multiply two numbers. Yes, there is a code example. Yay, nested loops. We've got it. Let's see if this works. We it let's do 3 plus 2, and I think we need to be at the first cell for this. Yes. Okay, that didn't work at all. Maybe it needs more cells. Let's do 5 cells here. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yes, it multiplied two numbers. Okay, let's change that to 4 times 3. That should give us 12. That will go in our examples if it works. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. My god, it works. Great Scott. Okay, we don't need 5 cells, we only need 4, I think. Yeah, it still works. So in the 4th cell, we get the result. The second cell, I don't know what that is for. 3. I guess, yeah, that's fine. Let's do complex multiplication. Let's copy this guy. Okay, so will be okay at the end. Which cell are we in? The first cell. Okay. Okay, doesn't matter. Yes, so we're at the first cell. We have 4 cells. The first one is 0, the second one is 3, and this one is 12. 12 is 4 plus 8. Oh no, what is happening? Does this work? Yeah, it works. Okay. Okay. So let's also print that out. Let's print out, we're at the first cell. So let's move up 3 times and then print this out. I think that'll give us what we need, and this will also be the fourth cell. Okay, that didn't work. Let's see what the result of this is. Oh, we're at the third cell. Okay, not the fourth cell. Yes, yes, that worked. All right, there we go. We have multiplication. Ooh, that feels nice. I think that's as far as I want to take this project. I think that's it, because the editor is already slowing down. It takes like a couple of seconds for the completions to fill in, so we're already way past that. Yeah, look at that. It takes a few seconds. After anything I change, takes a few seconds for the hover dock to come in. Okay, this is it. Unless I find an interesting example to run, which is short enough. But yeah, I think that's it. Let's push this. Let's create a repo for this. I don't need that anymore. Let's create a barrier here. Test cases. Even. Okay. We don't need that many slashes. We do need it to be symmetric. So let's do that, because that matters. Sad path. Okay, I don't know why syntax highlighting is getting fucked here. Yeah, not sure. Doesn't matter. We have our brainfuck compiler that works. This is amazing. White space. Let's stay consistent with our conventions. Error. Is there anything else I want to undo? Yeah, that's it. We've got it. We've got it, guys. Feed adds multiplication. Should we just move this up so that that's the first thing that we see? Feel like that's more. Nah, let it be. Let this be. Let's add a separate test file then. Test.ts. Move this guy over there. And import this. Oh, we need to export this as well. Is there anything else that I'm using here? No. Import interpreter from / dot and import suck all of the numbers from mat, and also state. I think we need export. Is that it? Oof, my hands are getting chilly. Okay, parse error as well. Where is parse error? Yeah. Okay. Okay, that's it. Oh, finally. It works. It works. Export. We don't need general list here. Perfect. Done. This is finally done. Refactor pulls test case into its own thing. Yeah. All right. Oof. I'm a little cold right now. Pretty chilly, but we've done it. I'm just gonna push this. And yeah. Let's create a repo. Gnu brainfuck ps types. Um, a brainfuck interpreter within the typescript type system, running within the typescript type system. Do we need a readme? Yes, we do. The MIT mid license. There we go. Get promote at origin. This guy. Oh, just a second. Someone's at the door. Taking a break. I'm back. Am I? Yes. I'm back. Okay, so we added the origin. Git pull origin main. Allow unrelated histories. Okay, my god. Okay. This guy, let's pull it again. Okay, git push, I think. Let's actually open up the readme. Brainfuck, yes. Let's do an example here for multiplication, because that's that's the one that has impressed me the most. Let's do that. Yes. Multiplication. Did I spell it right? No. Multiplication example. Result, and then we can do result equals. Let's go. Oh wait, let's just copy the result from here. Yeah. Actually, we don't care about all of this. Let's just do result 3. What is it? 2. Oh fuck, I forgot. It's 2, right? Yeah, it's result 2. Okay. Result index 2 is perfect. Let's comment this out. How do I do this? Okay. That makes more sense. Yeah. We need 4 cells for this. So let's do that. 0 underscore 0 underscore 0 underscore 0. In its state, init state equals this guy, and our expression is that, okay, this works. This is a good example for this thing. Yeah, let's say this. Commit docs readme example. Let's push. We have it. We have our brainfuck compiler ready to go. Oh, let's also let's just have the literals here, or should I change the example up a bit? 3 times 2, let's do, or 4 times 2, we have 8, so that, yeah, 4 times 2. Or should we add it in? Okay, let's add it here instead. 4 and 2, that makes more sense. Yeah, that's it. Let's, obviously we have to test this. The output array should be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Perfect. We have it. We have a result. That's it. Docs read me. Okay. Oof. I'm a little tired. We've done it though. We're finished. We're finished with this god awful mess. Feel like I already had this. Let's see. Can we, yeah, brainfuck. I can just delete the older repo, I guess. No, I don't have the older repo. I guess I never pushed it because it didn't work. Yeah, we've done it. How many times am I gonna keep saying that we've done it? I still don't believe that we've done it. That's the reason why. All right, let's quit. Yes, we're done. So let's say goodbyes. I will miss you. I will miss you a lot. Goodbye. Oh, wait a minute. Or is it goodbye?